Good afternoon, I'm Mayor Michelle Delisfort here today, Thursday, June 4th, 2020, with another COVID-19 update for the Township of Union. Today's numbers. During today's daily call with state, county, and local officials, it was announced that New Jersey recorded another 603 new positive tests for a total of at least 162,530 total positive results in New Jersey. Unfortunately, 11,970 people have died since the first positive test was announced on March 4th. In Union County, there are at least 15,953 confirmed cases and a total of 1,088 deaths. In the Township of Union, there are 1,753 confirmed positive cases, and sadly, 70 people in the township have passed. And as of today, 1,433 people have fully recovered. For an update of cases by county, you can visit the dashboard available at the link below. Murphy's executive order. At 6 a.m. on June 15th, tens of thousands of bars and restaurants will be able to reopen solely for outdoor dining and non-essential retail at half capacity under an executive order signed by Governor Murphy on Wednesday evening. The executive order and a public health directive from the New Jersey Department of Health outlined dozens of rules that restaurants, bars, and retail must follow if they wish to reopen. Here's what they look like. Tables at restaurants will have to be separated 6 feet apart. Seating is limited to a maximum of 8 people per table, and patrons need to maintain a 6-foot minimum distance from anyone outside of their group. Servers must bring you food on a cart. Patrons must wait in their vehicles prior to being served. Dining along main streets. Temperature checks and face coverings to be worn in general areas while away from tables. Additionally, entry into the physical establishment is barred except to access the restroom or to access outdoor dining areas, such as courtyards and rooftops. Patrons can also enter the restaurant for pickup or to place an order for takeout. Finally, self-service options such as buffets and salad bars are no longer allowed. Tables, chairs, and shared items such as menus and pens must be disinfected after each use. Restaurants must install physical barriers to separate customers from employees operating cash registers, bars, and host stands. This also applies to retail shopping, where store owners must create physical barriers that would enforce social distancing. Creating space. The governor order and DOH directive encourage local towns and cities to increase shared public spaces for outdoor dining, namely to help restaurants that might not have that capacity. Towns such as Union will be closing off certain streets to cars so that restaurants, especially those without the capacity to offer outdoor dining, can use them for shared spaces. Other options under consideration include closing off specific parking spots to turn them into parklets, where a certain number of tables are placed, closing off parking lots, and repurposing sidewalks and public parks. To accommodate the surge in outdoor dining, the state's Division of Alcohol Beverage Control is temporarily loosening rules around areas where restaurants may serve alcohol. The new rule expands the definition of premises to spaces that may serve alcohol can include adjacent decks, parking lots, patios, sidewalks, and other open outdoor areas. A special permit must be obtained, which will be valid between June 15th and November 30th. Applications go live on June 5th via the state's POSSE ABC online licensing system, and the fee is $75. Unemployment claim. You can send a message to the State Labor Department through its website, www.myunemployment.nj.gov. Afterwards, follow the instructions and the prompts. Price gouging. To report a scammer or suspected price gouging, alert the NJ Division of Consumer Affairs at 973-504-6240. The Union Economic Relief Survey. The COVID-19 pandemic is a public health crisis that has enormous economic implications on our local businesses. The federal government has passed a $2 trillion aid package with more money to follow for sole proprietors and businesses to maintain basic operations and to reset and thrive during and following the pandemic. We are asking all business owners and commercial property owners to visit unioncentersid.com to complete our online survey to help us better understand your needs. free face mask drive-through giveaway. Our giveaway ends tomorrow, Friday, June 5th, from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. Proof of residency is required. A maximum of 8 masks will be distributed to each vehicle. Any Union resident can receive their mask by driving to the back parking lot of Town Hall located at 1976 Morris Avenue. For more details, visit uniontownship.com. Finally, please respond online to the 2020 census. I'm proud to announce that the Township of Union continues to maintain a higher self-response rate than the County of Union, the State of New Jersey, and nationally. We currently have a self-response rate of 70.2%. Don't forget that you can respond by mail, online at 2020census.gov, or by calling 844-330-2020 and select your preferred language. Remember, the Township of Union is counting on you. Lastly, to obtain information and websites of essential resources, please visit the Township's website, uniontownship.com, and our social media platforms via @TownshipUnionNewJersey. Stay safe, stay positive and healthy, stay informed, and now more than ever, keep practicing social distancing. Thank you.